every year the date of the accident, and runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? The ghost train. Driver saw it last night. Where? Someone told me over to get. He didn't say. You must have been on our line. They say that ghosts can run as a warning to others. Oh, he carried on. It makes my wheels roll to think of it. Pooh, you're just a silly little engine person. I'm not scared. Thomas didn't believe you're a ghost. His driver laughed. Neither do I. It was a pretend ghost on television. Percy was disappointed, but he was too busy thinking all about ghost shunting trucks and harbour. That evening, he came back, light engine, from the harbour. He liked going at night. Swirls on shiftingly, and signal lights changing to green as he approached. He always knew just where he was, even in the dark. Crow's Farm Crossing, he shouted back to him. He found it now. But there was a broken card load of line ahead. Earlier, Sam the farmer had forgotten that Mr. Crow wanted a load of lime taken to a 40-acre field. When he remembered, it was nearly dark. He drove Terence in a hurry, bumped over the crossing, and sank his cart's front wheels in mud at the field gate. The horse tripped, and Terence tried hard, but couldn't move it. The cart's tail still fouled the railway. And also Sam, the farmer, just gave up. Young couple Terence and rode back to the farm for help. There's still time, he told himself. The train isn't here for an hour. What do you reckon? Without Percy going. Percy broke the cart to smithereens, and lime flew everywhere. It meant no one had the nearest signal box. Hello, said his driver. Said the signalman. Well, I'm Percy. He's right all over. I'll see into it. But you better think Percy. The people think he's a ghost. Percy chuckled. Do let's pretend that I'm a ghost and scare Thomas. That'll teach him how to be a slowly little engine. On the way, they met Toby, who promised to help. Thomas was ordered up for his evening train, and Toby pushed in. Percy's had an accident. Poor engine, said Thomas. Botheration. That means I'll be late. They've cleared the line for you. Out with it, Toby. I can't wait all evening. They've cleared the line for you. But there's something. Out with it, Toby. I can't wait all evening. It looks like Percy's ghost. It said it was coming here to warn us. Who cares? Don't worry. Don't be frightened, Toby. I'll take care of you. And Percy sneakily went to the tipper sheds. Something wrong with this bloody thing. Let me in! Let me in! No, no, said Toby. Not by the smoke of my chimney chin chin. I'll chuff and I'll puff and I'll break your door in. No. Oh. explained Thomas. It's getting late. Oh, I have no idea. I must go find Annie and Clara. Percy was not on one of his adventures. Peter was soon clean, but Thomas hadn't returned. That morning, Thomas returned. Where have you been? Oh, I know you would be sad about Percy. I slept in a good shed. I slept in a good shed. And also, shit. So I can't stop. Go pick up a train. Go for a train. Shut up, fucking shit. Percy put up the wrong side. Well, what do you think about that? Well, everyone think that Thomas had just seen a ghost.